invite Tarak and Charan and let them handle you.
Oh,
Yes.
I think I was going to invite them to have coffee with me. Do you think they will agree?
Yes, sir. I think presently we can start with chai.
With chai?
Yes.
Sir, जो भी आप कहो ना, तहे दिल से I will agree that you said chai with Charan and chai with Tarak. Then chai it is. NTR and Ram Charan in the house. Can I also request the gorgeous Alia Bhatt to join us on stage? Ladies and gentlemen, for me, RRR means Rajamouli, Rama Rao and Ram Charan. The trio together is fire on the box office. क्या इस फिल्म के नाम की यहाँ यही स्टोरी है? That's how the name came. Can you tell us, is this how the name happened, Tarak?
नहीं सर, वैसा कुछ नहीं हुआ, but we got a phone call from वो जो बीच का जो आर है ना सर वो.
हाँ जी.
हाँ.
राजामौली सर का आर.
जी.
हाँ.
So we had a phone call from him.
Right.
I didn't know he's calling Charan. Charan didn't know he's calling me.
हाँ.
So then so he wanted me to come home and I landed up sitting down, talking. Suddenly our man walks in. So I was like, why did he come?
Why is Tarak here?
Yeah, so and then his expression was, why is Tarak here? So I was like, you intruder, why you here? अच्छा ठीक है, काम खत्म कर लो और निकलो यहाँ से. But no, he was still there. And then slowly, I look at this man, and slowly he looks at him, starts off with a smile. So then I was like, no. Yes.
Oh.
We were like, no.
So basically, you all arrived to Rajamouli sir's not knowing what is happening.
Absolutely.
And
So-
was that the day the big selfie was taken?
Yes.
Absolutely, on his sofa.
So after the selfie, now the trouble starts. He wants to name the selfie now. वो जो है ना सर
Hashtag something.
hashtag का जो कीड़ा है ना.
Well, Rajamouli sir is also a marketing expert, apart from being a cinematic.
Well, he is.
But
is,
sir,
he
if I
is.
may ask all three of you to actually take a seat.
Sure.
All right. You have the gorgeous Alia Bhatt sandwiched between you two. I have a feeling कि आलिया है तो फिल्म का नाम RRR. अगर फिल्म का नाम R भी होता, you would still fall in love with it.
पुराना नहीं हो गया है?
शुरू कहाँ हुआ?
नहीं अभी शुरू हुआ ना.
अभी शुरू हुआ है.
हाँ. अभी बट तुम किसकी बात कर रहे हो? मैं तो अपनी बात कर रहा था. रॉकी और रानी बना रहे ना RR. तो तुम किसकी बात कर रही थी?
सॉरी, मेरी लाइफ में एक और आर है ना, तो आई गॉट लिटिल कंफ्यूज.
अब आलिया, मैं ये तो पूछूंगा नहीं कि कैसा लगा इन लेजेंड्स के साथ काम करके, बिकॉज यू truly I've been around cinema legends during the making of RRR. लेकिन ये जरूर पूछना चाहूंगा कि तीनों के साथ काम करके तुमने क्या सीखा?
आई वुड से लॉट्स ऑफ वार्मथ, अपनापन जिसे कहते हैं.
एक
हाउ डू आई
अपनापन.
से इट इन तेलुगु?
Apyaita.
आप्यायता.
It's so wonderful to be so welcomed by two legendary superstars and a legendary filmmaker. All right. Now, Alia, the film is semi-bromance, and you yourself witnessed this super duo's bromance on screen and off screen, right?
Okay, I would say there's a friendship between the two of them, which is very playful. They're only pulling each other's leg.
But did you feel like a kebab mein haddi in the middle? Being playful is fun.
Y'all, I'm not saying the wrong thing, no?
Well, it depends on how.
Sir?
Oh, we just met
Correct,
Alia.
no? Correct,
No. Rajmouli sir.
No.
Tappo. We just met Alia then. Obviously, we could not include her into our mischief.
No.
Why?
I don't want to be included.
Why?
No, I mean like it took us some time to even digest the fact that there's
Karan.
a heroine in the film.
Yeah, and Karan always you
It took
told
us
us.
some time. No,
That's
because it
true.
was every day we were just
No,
working
and-
with each other.
and also-
it was just us, and all
and
of a sudden we had this
That's what-
beautiful
Karan,
woman
it's
in
always
front
good
of
to
us.
warm up a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh.
So
Yeah.
that's what we
Before.
were talking
It was
about.
basically cinematic foreplay.
Yes.
No, so the first thing that Tarak said to me was, I'm sorry, I've forgotten what it is to work with a heroine. For 3 years, I've only worked with a hero.
Yes. Rajamouli sir has a tendency of doing that. He takes two men and puts them together for years in one zone. Either it was Prabhas and Rana, or now it is Tarak and Charan. He's done the same thing. Basically, all two men combinations you like, sir. Two.